straight out of VA, 757 to be exact. How long I've been doing music? Well, I used to rap like with my homies. Like we used to put little mixtapes together, just between us though. We didn't put it out. You know, it was just a hobby, just cause we all love music. But as a solo by myself, I say 2010. Everybody inspires me in some type of way. I listen to a lot of artists from like Kendrick, Drake, Ace Hood, ASAP, Ross, Dom Kennedy. Like, I listen to a lot of people, Pusha, and just get inspiration from whatever. For real, like the production inspires me too. Cause like on the low, like I always been into production, like kind of before I was into actually like spitting. So the production is a big inspiration to my music. Well, my favorite artist right now is Drake. And I choose him because I can relate to him the most. So that's my favorite right now. But who I'm listening to now, well, I'm listening to that Cole album, that whole album, Ace Hood album, and Kanye's a little bit. Mike Will, Lex, Southside, Boy Wonder, T Minus, Crit, and Pharrell, Dre, the legends too. Yeah, that's about it. That's what I can think of right now. I like playing pool. Yeah, I'm a really good pool player. Like, I don't really brag about too much, but pool is something that I do for real. But besides that, play ball, cop clothes, kicks, and that's pretty much it. I don't be doing a lot. I'm to myself. I just be chilling. Well, my project is called Legendary, and I pick Legendary because in the long run, that's what I want to be with this music. Like, I want to, whenever I decide to stop, I want my music to live on, like from 10, 20 years from now. And I say, man, Bird was cold, like, you know what I'm saying? And that's right there, that's legendary to me. So that's why I wanted to make my title Legendary. Yeah, I do. I just kept it real. I didn't really want to have a whole bunch of songs with people on it. But as far as appearances go, I got my boy P-Butta on there, spitting. My boy Vontae the King. My girl Luck on there, and Amani. And go make sure you download Butta and Vontae's mixtape. They were both on that Piff, Bugatti Dreams, and Everyday Music. Go get that. The production is hard.
Oh, yeah.
It's hard. Yeah, man. I tried to try to balance it the best I can. But as far as producers go, I got JR Productions on there, of course. That's the home team, FTGU. He did like 75% of the tape. And besides him, I got Chris Calor, he got a joint on there. Louis Montana got a joint on there. G Money got a joint on there. L Music got a joint on there. And that's it for real. Oh, and the Megaminds, they definitely got 2 on there. Yeah, they got 2 on there.
So do you consider yourself to be like a more diverse artist when it comes to your production?
I try my best to, cause I don't want to like stay in one lane. Like with this music, I do not want to stay in like one lane. People be like, yeah, you heard Bird, oh yeah, he just does this. Nah, like I try to, switch it up. That's why I can make a track like Light Show, where we took a house song and just put the hip hop behind it and made it what it was. But in a sense, I still like the trap. I still like the, club type, or even the song for the ladies. You know what I'm saying? I try to mix it. You know what I'm saying? So you won't have no type of complaints. You say, oh yeah, Bird got a song like that, and he got one like that. You can follow me on Twitter at Billy Gun Beezy. Instagram's No Like Shawty with 4 A's. Well, I spell it. It's no, then like, then SHAAAA. Was that 4?
I think it was 5.
WTY. That's my Instagram. Twitter is BILLIEGNBEEZY. And just hit me up on there when the tape drop, or just stay on there to, because I'm gonna be posting it heavy on my Twitter, all the links and all that. And whenever it drop, man, all I ask is for everybody to just give me feedback. That's all I want to know. I just want to know like what you think, even if it's negative. Like let me know how I can improve. Let me know what's your favorite song. Stuff like that, man. All I want is the feedback. But that's it right there. Yeah, man. Let me shout out my team, FTGU, JR, P-Butta. Those guys right there, they contribute a lot towards my music in this project. Especially JR, produced, mixed, engineered, all that. So shout out to them. Shout out to all the producers on there. G Money, the Music, Mega Minds, Louis Montana, shout out to all them, Chris Color, and just everybody that's supporting me, like that's just been retweeting me when I post something, repost the link, whatever, like it, view it, like anybody that's just spreading the word, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm about positive energy, like, and if you know what I'm saying, you positive, then I ain't got nothing but love for you. So shout out to them.